Okay, before we start today's class, I want everyone here just pay the attention just to me, okay? Tolong HP-nya disimpan ya, HP-nya disimpan, tidak boleh bicara dengan temannya, oke? Okay? Saya hitung sampai 3 ya, 1, 2, 3. Are you ready for the class, guys? Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how are you guys? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, before we start today's class, the class leader, can you lead the prayer, please? Okay, thank you. And is there anyone absent today? Okay, good. And now, did everyone here still remember what we have learned in the previous meeting? Narrative text, good job. Do you still remember what is narrative text, Fiore? Yani? Okay, good job, Yani. And then next, today we will learn about news item text. Kalian pasti udah pernah baca berita kan? Pernah kan? Nah, berbeda dengan naratif teks yang teksnya itu berisikan about story, news item text itu sendiri teksnya itu berisi tentang teks berita. Lebih lanjutnya akan kita bahas di materi yang setelah ini, oke? Nah, why we should learn about narrative text sih, Diki? Do you know? Why? Good, but not just like that ya. With learn about news item text, kita bisa membuat atau nge-share berita itu dengan completely gitu ya, dan nggak membuat kita menyebarkan hoax gitu, paham? Dan selain itu juga, who knows, anyone here will become a reporter in the future, okay? We never know. So, that's why we learn about news item text. Next. Tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini itu ada 2. The first one is to identify the generic structure of news item text, and the second one is to present the results of identifying the general structure of the news item text that has been done with confidence. Okay? Untuk mencapai tujuan pembelajaran ini, we will learn about 3 things. The first one is definition of news item text. The second one is the generic structure of news item text, and the third is example of news item text. Okay. Is there anyone who knows the definition of news item text? Dea? No. Okay. If no, do you know what is news is? What the news is? Berita. News adalah berita. Teks. Artinya teks berita. Tapi nggak hanya itu ya. Definisi dari teks berita sendiri adalah a text which informs readers about events of the day. Jadi news item text itu adalah teks yang berisi informasi kepada para pembaca tentang sebuah kejadian. Nah, the events are considered newsworthy or important. Di sini ada yang pernah dengar newsworthy before? Mbak Irna, tahu newsworthy? No, jangan makan di kelas ya. Do not eat in the class, okay? Please listen to me, okay? Thank you. Nah, newsworthy. What is newsworthy? News apa, Mas Diki? Word? Oke, jadi newsworthy apa? Berita yang layak atau berita yang layak diberitakan. Contohnya apa nih? Contohnya, tahu nggak? Do you guys know? Kecelakaan. Contohnya nih newsworthy nih ya penjelasannya. Misal there is a news about my neighbor buy a car. Itu layak nggak dibicarakan? No. Tapi kalau my neighbor bought a car and got scammed, layak? Layak. Jadi seperti itu ya contohnya layak dibicarakan. Next, the generic structure of news item text. There is three. The first one is main event or the summary of the news to be explained. And then next, the background event tells in detail about the background of the incident. Jadi ada 5W1H itu adalah background event. And then the source itu statementnya yang mendukung isi berita. Now, the example of news item text ya bisa di sini. Which one is the newsworthy, Mbak Fiore? Oke, ini ya newsworthy-nya yang berisikan tentang UTBK itu membuat ratusan siswa kelas 12 itu stres. Oke, background event-nya? Oke, di sini benar, good job. Thank you Mbak Fiore. And then the sources itu yang dikutip atau kutipannya. Oke, do you guys understand? Is there any question? Okay, good job. So now it's time to group assignment. Okay, ini baris pertama dan baris ketiga bisa madep ke belakang nggak? Ya, please ya. Saya hitung sampai 5 harus sudah madep belakang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job. Now, listen to me ya, please listen to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, group 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, group 3. 1, 2, 3, group 4. Okay? Understand? Okay. Now, each group will receive a different news article given by me ya. Ini for group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. And then, please look at me, okay? Your task is to analyze the structure of the news article and identify the following elements. Which one the newsworthy event, which one the background event, and the sources. Understand? Your time to discuss is 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, you should write down your group findings in a brief outline, okay? And prepare a 2-minute presentation. Each group should have one representative to be presenter, okay? To present the group findings. Do you guys understand? Is there any question? No, okay, let's start. Any question? Is there any difficult things? No, okay, good job. How about this group? Do you guys find any difficult things? No. Oh, you guys finished? Oh, good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Time is up. Okay, time is up. I want the group 1. Who will be the presenter today? Mas Diki, please.
I will present my team discussion for the newsworthy item. Thousands of high school seniors across Indonesia are reporting increased stress and anxiety ahead of UTBK. For the background events is the second paragraph, and the sources is ARGA, teachers, counselors, and the Ministry of Education.
Okay, good job. Give applause for Mas Diki, everyone. Oke, tapi jangan mundur dulu ya, Mas Diki. Oke. The newsworthy event, thousands of high school seniors across Indonesia are reporting increased stress and anxiety ahead of UTBK. Bener nggak ini newsworthy event? Benar. Tahu nggak kenapa benar? Do you know why is correct? Because newsworthy event, as I said before, tells about the summary about the event in the news item text, that read in the news item text. Ini menceritakan apa yang sebenarnya di report tuh apa sih gitu. Oke, paham? Oke, the background event UTBK is blah 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 blah. Oke. Why is correct? And is anyone knows why is correct? Yeah, because it tells about apa sih UTBK, what is UTBK, and then who are the participants in UTBK, and so on. Okay, the sources. Arga, bener nggak ini sourcesnya? Bener. Why Mbak Dea? Bener. Oke, good job karena ada kutipannya, karena ada statementnya atau berupa statement pendukung. Oke, good job. Give applause for group one. Thank you, Mas Ziki. Oke, back to your seat. And now, is there any question, guys? Do you understand? Okay, what we learned today, what we have learned today. Tema apa aja? The first one is definition of news item. The second one is what is the generic structure? Tadi ada 3. Okay, good job ya. And then the last one we learn about the example of news item. Okay, do you guys enjoy my class? Okay, do you guys have fun? Okay, great. Thank you so much, guys. And tomorrow we will learn about procedure text. Please be ready for read the material before next meeting. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. I hope that I shared to you guys today will be helpful in your daily life, in your life. Okay? Thank you so much. The class leader, can you lead the prayer, please? Okay, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys and have a great day.